What's up? What's up? What's up? Explain what is the first move that you will do, Jet Li? What is the first move that you will do, Jet Li?
My move. First, when you getting shot, this ball to the ring. First,
What's God, Jet Li?
you form your hands like this, and then
What do you call that
ball
move?
will
What do you call that move?
it's similar to the
Follow through. Follow through.
Okay, follow through the ring so that you can shot like this.
Like this. Okay, okay. Let's look at Jet Li how he will shot the ball on the ring. What the fuck? The demonstrator Jet Li gets an air ball. What the fuck? Human error, ha? Oh, Jet Li. Woo! Let's clap our hands for Jet Li for a good shot. Woo! Next one. Whoa! No, 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 no. No, no. What do you call that amazing move? What do you call that amazing move?
No,
Can you explain? Can you explain what is that amazing move and
The
how
first thing you need to do is to bend your knees,
bend your knees
dribble at least 3 times.
3 times?
2, 3. Yeah.
Burasag Lolo 3 times.
As you move your body up, also the ball goes up like this. It's move like jogger. This.
Like this.
Then
Uh,
you
and
need
then
to get your force here, up to there, up to above the angle.
above, all of the above.
Yes. So bet you that means basa your breath. Okay. I will show you the real thing.
Okay, okay. What? Excuse me, sir. What is your name again? You are a superstar from the NBA. What is your name?
I'm Tony Parker.
Tony Parker. And
Oh,
King Kong
wet pussy, man. Wet pussy.
with pussy. What the fuck, man? Okay, wait. Okay, let's watch Tony Parker as he teaches his moves to us. Bend your knees and shot. Oh! What a miss by Parker. Oh, let's go back to Jitley because
This is
he promotes the new biscuit, the biscuit in town.
coconut with vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin A, B, C, D, H, K, element of P, Q, R, S, T, U, and V, W, X, Y, and Z. This is the all vitamins are here to be better vibes now. Buy one.
Where can we buy that?
Huh? Yeah, you can buy this.
Oh, the Chongo man with the wheat pussy. Oh, let's look at the moves of Tony Anger. Tony Anger calling the play, dribbling, isolation move, spinning technique, and then layup. Oh, what a fuck! Parker throws in the hole, man. Oh, Parker doing the unbelievable move. Oh, Parker gets the shot. Jitley, can you do that? Can you do that, Jitley?
Yeah, it's better. I will watch back and relax.
Oh,
I will go through exercise
oh,
if
that's good, Jitley. That's
in a
good.
while. So that's Ano mo nasabi mo nga natalo si Pacquiao?
Jet Li,
Very good.
why does Pacquiao lose the game at the decision?
Better like move like this.
Move like this.
Pacquiao is very
You
good.
move like this. It's like a moves like Jagger.
Huh?
Ebidensya.
My Pacquiao is a very good fighter, but Bradley is
Is,
very good too
Jet Li, why is your head looks like Bradley?
because it moves like this. I'm a good time, I know you. Doing it, I show you get the move, the Jagger, get
Oh.
the move, the Jagger.
Jet Li. Oh. Ta ta ta.